In this section, we will install Internet applications. Internet applications are those programs that help us interact with the Internet, like a Internet browser, a email client, or a download manager. So the first thing we need to do is to add a PPA for UGET. UGET is the download manager. And we will copy this command: sudo add apt repository. This command is for adding a PPA, and this PPA is UGET PPA. Actually, this PPA is from the developer of UGET, so it is considered safe to use. Path and enter to continue. If you don't want to add it, just press Ctrl C to cancel. And after adding any repository, we need to update. So sudo apt get update. The update often takes long, so I will pause the video here. The update has finished. The next will be install all the packet. This command and then pass into the terminal. Yes. To save time, I have downloaded all the packet, so it will just install. Thunderbird for Thunderbird, Pidgin for Pidgin, and UGET for UGET. It all has been installed. We already have Firefox here and Thunderbird. We have Thunderbird, Pidgin. Welcome to Pidgin. Yes, we have Pidgin. And Ctrl C to completely close Pidgin. And UGET. The command to start UGET is UGET GTK. So enter. Yes, we have UGET 205. Okay, I will end this video here.